Hi, hello friends, welcome to my channel. I'm Jeline. I like to share all things beauty, shopping, decor, and more. And it's been a little while since I filmed. I actually got COVID, so this is the first time I felt good, so I'm ready to share. And obviously I'm going to do a try on video as I have no makeup on. So anyway, I got a special deal from Laura Gellar Beauty. It was a 5-piece set. I think they sent me an extra brush, but it has a 3 anyway, I'll get to what it has in it. So I'm going to try on the makeup that we have, and so let's get to it. Okay, friends, I appreciate you being here. Thank you for your support. I'd love it if you'd subscribe, hit the like button, do those things that would support my channel. And so, as far as this Laura Gellar, now I'm going to tell you, I do have a little bit of base on. I like to put my own, like I had a primer and a base. I have eyebrows and an eye primer on. But the first thing, so Laura Gellar sent me, it says a 5-piece set. I got it for, I think it was $49 and I got a discount. So it ended up being like $41 something with a discount. But it came with this palette right here. The first thing is this, anyway, I'm going to show is this palette. The box came in here. And it also came with a face foundation, color corrector, powder, and then it came with 4 brushes. So I'm going to try to use all this in what I put on. And so this, I'm really excited about showing you what's in here, but I'm going to go ahead and start with the foundation, the color correcting foundation. And I'm going to use, they gave me a kabuki brush. It's in here, and so I think I'm going to use that to do this color correcting foundation. So let's get going here. Let's see what we got. Okay. I'm going to just do one side of my face. I don't know if we see much of a difference here than the other side. So let me go ahead and do the other side really quick. Okay, so I noticed it gave me a little flush of color, kind of evened out, I guess, some spots, so that's good. Like I said, me being sick, this isn't the best time to do this. My eyes are kind of watering and whatever, but we're going to try to get through this. So that was the color correcting foundation. Now, Laura Gellar has some of the better baked powders and stuff. She's just known for a lot of her baked powders and foundations and stuff. And so this is a really good product. So I'm happy with that. So let's get to the palette here. Now the palette has 3 sections and along with a mirror. So there we go. Anyway, so we've got, in the middle we have a bronze blush and kind of a highlighter, or it doesn't say highlighter, it says, powder. It's a powder. Over here, I think we've got a bronze and highlighter again. So there's more than one bronze. Right here, we have some contour. I didn't see those in there. I did put a little bit of my Shape Tape on, but I might try some of that. So let's just get to the face. Now, I like a cream. I don't know how to get these off of here. Okay, they're just... Okay, just have a little protection over them. This is a great, though, palette if you wanted. It's very neutral, but it's has everything you'd need in it if you wanted to take it to travel. It's just all compact together, so that's kind of nice. So I'm going to come on here. I'm going to take a little bit of this concealer right here. Okay, so I'm going to use a brush. I'm going to take a little bit of concealer and okay, then I'm going to take some of this powder right here from here, this setting powder, and I'm going to go do a little bit of that under there. Okay, so there's that. So the next thing I'm going to do is go to the bronzer. Yeah, I'm going to see if they have any brushes I want to use. I have my bronzer brush that I love, but let's see if they have a good one that I can use. No, they do have a cream and a powder, which I like. This brush right here is kind of, could be a facial, what does this say? It says a classic bronze. I don't know. It's kind of big for me. I don't know. This one. I don't think I'm going to use it. I love this brush. I would use it more for like a face setting powder. Feels really good, like a really good quality brush. But I'm going to come with the one I normally use. And I am going to come into the cream. And let's see what we got here. You guys know bronzing is like my favorite of everything. So when I get done with the bronzer, I want you guys to take a look at it and notice the difference already that it makes in my face. So here we go. I got all that applied. Now I'm just going to go to town with my brush. I'm a little crazy here. Okay, I'm going to come with some powder and just go over it with a little bit of powder. So I'm dipping it right here into this right here. And okay, so there's for my bronze. Now let's go to blush. They do have a brush in here that I would use for my blush. Right here, and this probably says a blush brush. Blush brush, yeah. So it's a nice brush. So I'm going to come, they don't have any cream, which I usually like cream for blush on top. I might do a little bit of, I have my Dibs Beauty here. I might do a little bit of the cream blush and then do the Laura Gellar over it. Let's just put a little bit of that on. And then let's just take this Laura Gellar right here. And it's going to be powerful. My blush always tames down, but it looks pretty powerful right now. I didn't bring any highlighter in here, and I'm not sure this highlighter is going to be what I want. But let's try this over here. This is a, now what does this say? I need my glasses to see all this. Okay, so this says cream highlighter. It's a cream highlighter, which I like cream highlighters, so let's try it. I think I'm just going to go take it with my finger and then brush. I tend to like a little bit more of a highlight, but that's okay. We'll go with it. The cheeks look pretty powerful, but we'll see. I'll tame them down with some powder or something later. We'll see what happens to them in the next little bit. Okay, so now we are going to go to the eyeshadow. I'm not sure what I'm going to use. It's a very neutral palette. They did give me one eyeshadow brush, so I'm going to go ahead and use it, but I'm going to use a couple other ones too. I'll probably just use this for my main. Let's see. What would this be best for? I think I'm going to take it to begin with, and I'm going to go into one of these lighter shades, and I'm going to do my whole, I'm going to do this kind of, it's almost a pink, light pink color, pinkish. I think I'm going to do my whole shade. Let's see what happens with this color, with this light color. I just want to set a good base here. Okay, then I'm going to go into my crease. I'm going to take a little bit darker color. This is hard. They have some kind of purplish colors, which I like. They also have some very, these two are kind of a purpley. Can't really see, I guess, as much, but, and then the rest are all pretty brownish shades, brownish. So I think I'm going to go with this. I think I'm going to take this color. It's a little bit purplish, and I'm going to go in my crease with this. Just take it all across here. Okay, there we go. Okay, and then I'm going to take, I think I'm going to get a different brush. I'm going to use my Sonia G brush. Love it. Okay, and I'm going to come into this darkest color right here. And I'm going to go in the edges here, just pat in the corners. I'm going to blend. Let's see where my blending brush is. Blending is so important. Okay, you just got to play with it until you get what you want. I don't see really well in here. It's not my perfect makeup setup, so I'm going to look in this mirror and see Looks like I got some fall off down here. Okay, so there's that. I'm going to take this big fluffy brush right here and just kind of go over my face. Just kind of blend everything together. Okay. All right, so I think we have our eyes. Now I'm going to go off screen. I'm going to finish up my eyes and lips, and I will get back to you. So, okay, here's the final look. Gosh, my eyes are smeared a few times because my eyes are watering from being sick. But anyway, this is the look. I went ahead. I don't know if I have everything. Okay, so I used on my lower waterline, I used this Petra by Pixie eyeliner. It's made for inner lids. And I use this Better Than Sex. It's kind of a, let's see, this eyeliner. So it's a felt tip. And so I use those two. And I also use for mascara, I use the, I love this from Huda Beauty. It's the Legit Lashes mascara, and it's one side is lengthening, one side is volumizing. I love this mascara. I love it because it's like 2-in-1. So gosh, with this palette, you know, you could travel, you could take, you got your palette and your eye. Anyway, this is a great mascara because I usually use 2 mascaras in one, so I like it when it comes this way. So there's that. And let's see, I used a little bit of this iconic setting spray. I used my NYX lip. I ran in and got it, and then I forgot to bring it in here because I had brought a different lip to use because I thought I was going to do a little bit more of a brown look. But this is more of a kind of almost a little pinky purple look. So it's the brown, but the kind of burgundy, I don't know, anyway, eyeshadow. So anyway, that's it for my Laura Gellar. I'll put up the before and the after, and this set right here. We got all these fun brushes, and let's see, we got, I think, 4 brushes. Let's see, 1, 2, 3, and the 4th one was an eyeshadow brush, and then the baked foundation, so powder. So anyway, this I got for like $41 from Laura Gellar. Whenever they have specials or sales, that's a good time to go get it. I had never really tried a full face of Laura Gellar, so anyway, I do like it. It's good for older, more mature women, I think. So anyway, that would be me, even though I like the young, fun stuff. Anyway, thank you for being here. I appreciate your support. Let me know what you think. Leave me a comment, and I will see you guys all in the next one. All right, friends. Bye-bye.